Trinamool-run panchayats has been accused of issuing fake West Bengal board certificates to Bangladeshis for passports. Following this, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has been accused of supporting fundamentalism. The BJP has hit out saying that Mamata Banerjee is moving forward with the aim of turning West Bengal into a fundamentalist state by directly supporting terrorists. Okay, so we're getting some more breaking updates coming in. A TMC-run panchayat has been accused of issuing fake West Bengal board certificates to Bangladeshis for passports. And CM Banerjee, Mamata Banerjee, has been accused of supporting fundamentalism. This is what the BJP is saying right now, viewers. And the BJP has made these allegations in the past as well. The BJP has made these allegations in the past as well against Mamata Banerjee on this issue. And what we see right now are back-to-back updates coming in right now. Remember that there's already a big drive to identify and deport illegal nationals from Bangladesh. And in the midst of all this, Trinamool-run panchayats has been accused of issuing fake West Bengal board certificates to Bangladeshi for passports. And this is a very big allegation coming in right now on Republic TV. We have seen that even Subhendu Adhikari has said that Bangladeshi infiltrators are a major concern. This is something that the LOP in West Bengal has said time and again. And I want to go across to my colleague Hridita. You know, this is coming in a backdrop of what Subhendu Adhikari, the LOP, has said, that Mamata Banerjee is not providing land to the border security force for fencing work along the border. And in the midst of all this, Hridita, we are getting to know that TMC-run panchayats have been accused of now issuing fake West Bengal board certificates. Now, go ahead, Hridita, take our viewers through all the allegations coming in. And has the TMC, has Mamata Banerjee replied to these allegations? Hridita.
Correct. Yesterday we have seen Mamata Banerjee. She was in Chandeshkhali and she has not given any statement. She has not issued any of her statement in regards to this. She has time and again pointed her fingers towards the BSF and always said that it is the BSF, it is the central government which is not taking any action against the infiltrators. But yesterday in Subhendu Adhikari's PC, we have heard that these lands which are given by the central, the border lands, are completely under the DG supervision of the state. And in which this Mamata Banerjee, neither the DG of the state has taken any action, but has times and again, not only her, but TMC's various leaders have pointed their fingers on BSF and said that they are the ones who are helping these infiltrators to come in. And the TMC or the state has no hand in that. But to understand that earlier in this year, we have also heard TMC leader like Ratna Vishwas, who had stated in a public meeting where she has said that you can get your Aadhaar card made, and there is a person, there is an official who is appointed who is making an Aadhaar card. So how can a person who is not a permanent resident of India can get their Aadhaar card made suddenly? So we can understand that this statement has not only come from Ratna Vishwas but also from various other TMC leaders.